YouTube is a search engine. YouTube does not have it out for you. YouTube is not suppressing your videos. More than likely, if you're making content within the guidelines, you have to make evergreen content that people are searching for. In addition to making evergreen content that people are searching for, some niches just pay more than others. So let's talk about that. Number one, you already know it's finance, personal finance. People are looking for ways to make money. The economy still has not recovered for many people. And for many people, they're constantly searching for ways to make money. In every age bracket, that is an evergreen topic. So personal finance is going to land at number one in the YouTube niches that earn the most money. Okay, so let's dig a little bit deeper into that. Does that mean that you need to go on and start a trading channel or giving people finance advice? No. If you have a gaming channel and you know how to make money playing games online, show people. Show people how to make money playing games. If you have a cleaning business, show people how you make money cleaning as opposed to just vlogging yourself cleaning your house. People are looking to make money on and offline, and they're looking for ways to do it. Number two, again, video games. If you combine video games and finance, you have a winning niche right there. You've niched down to a winning niche. You really have. Number three, we have cooking. People are always needing to cook. People are always looking for recipes, healthy and unhealthy. Moms are always looking for snack ideas for their children. Health conscious people are constantly looking for recipes that will help with their fitness. Moms and dads are constantly looking for recipes of just what to cook tonight. Health and fitness is coming in at number four, and people are constantly looking for ways to improve their health, their mental health, their physical health, the mental health of their children. So that is a top paying niche. Health is a top paying niche. And then travel. Of course, people love to travel and they want to see the experience of other people before they go places. You may think I would love to have a travel channel, but I don't really travel a lot. You can talk about places you want to travel, show pictures of places that you want to travel, and let people follow your journey of actually getting there. That's a good, and if you're into vlog style content, that is a good way to introduce your vlog style content into a niche that is popular and searched often, and that also allows people to follow you on a journey. So this is something to consider as you switch back and forth and try out new niches. And that's fine. Don't be afraid to try out new niches and see what fits you the best. And if you like this video, like this video. If you like me, subscribe, and don't forget to tell me all about it in the comments. Bye.